Struggling to fall asleep or wake up feeling rested? Your bedroom is about to become the ultimate sleep sanctuary. These Amazon bedroom gadgets are designed to instantly fix your sleep, helping you relax faster and wake up refreshed without the struggle. All products are linked in the description below. Long day sitting, working, or just feeling worn out? This full-body massage mat turns any spot into your personal relaxation zone. You get 10 vibrating motors that target your back, shoulders, legs, and more, helping ease tension fast. The movable neck pillow uses rotating nodes that mimic real kneading, so it actually feels like hands working out the knots. Add in soothing heat that boosts circulation and helps your muscles loosen up even more. Lay it on your bed, couch, or floor and let yourself fully unwind. Knots in your neck or back can ruin your whole day. This deep kneading massage pillow goes straight to the source and works them out fast. It uses rotating nodes that mimic real hands, pressing deep into sore muscles for real relief. The built-in heat helps loosen tight spots and improve blood flow while you relax. Strap it to a chair, use it in the car, or press it wherever you need it most. It's like having a personal massage anytime you want. Holding your phone or tablet for too long gets uncomfortable fast. This adjustable arm stand takes that weight off your hands completely. It clips onto your desk, bed, or shelf so you can watch, scroll, or work without lifting a finger. With 4 flexible joints and full 360-degree rotation, you can position your screen exactly how you like it. The sturdy metal build keeps everything steady, so no annoying shaking while you tap. Set it once and just sit back and enjoy. Waking up to a harsh alarm can feel like a shock. This sunrise clock eases you into the day with light that slowly brightens like a real morning. Instead of loud beeps, you get gentle nature sounds that help you wake up feeling calmer. You can set 2 alarms and adjust the volume across 12 levels, so it works even if you're a heavy sleeper. At night, it doubles as a soft moon lamp with adjustable glow for a relaxing vibe. It's a simple upgrade that makes both your nights and mornings feel better. Balancing a laptop on your legs never feels quite right. This reading pillow turns your lap into a stable, super comfortable workspace. It's soft yet supportive, so your arms, neck, and shoulders don't get tired during long sessions. You also get a built-in cup holder and pockets, keeping your drink, phone, and snacks within reach. The ergonomic shape keeps everything steady whether you're in bed, on the couch, or even in the car. Work, watch, or game without the usual discomfort. Your bedside table just got a serious upgrade. This modern nightstand hides a built-in charging station right under a sliding lid, keeping cables out of sight and your space clean. You get multiple outlets and ports, so all your devices stay powered in one place. The LED lighting adds a soft glow with customizable colors, giving your room a cool, relaxed vibe at night. 2 drawers and side slots keep essentials within easy reach. It's style, storage, and function all in one. Hot, stuffy air can ruin your comfort fast. This bladeless tower fan cools your space with a smooth, powerful breeze that reaches across the room. It stays super quiet so you can sleep, work, or relax without distraction. You can control it with a remote, your phone, or even voice commands for total convenience. With multiple speeds and modes, it adjusts to exactly how you like it. Set the timer, sit back, and enjoy steady, refreshing airflow. A full cinema setup in your pocket sounds impossible until you see this. This mini projector turns any wall or ceiling into a movie screen in seconds. It connects wirelessly to your phone or laptop so you can stream without messy cables. The 180-degree rotating stand lets you project from almost any angle even while lying in bed. It also adjusts the image automatically so everything looks straight and clear. Take it anywhere and turn any space into your own private movie night. If you're tired of waking up in a messy bed, this is a simple fix that makes a big difference. These heavy-duty straps lock your bed sheets tightly in place so they don't slip, bunch, or come loose during the night. Once installed, you don't have to keep fixing your bedding every day. It works with almost any mattress and sheet size, keeping everything smooth and aligned. The result is a cleaner bed, better comfort, and way less frustration when you wake up. Too many chargers, not enough sockets? This flexible power strip solves that in a clean and clever way. It gives you multiple AC outlets plus USB ports, so you can charge your phone, laptop, and gadgets all at once. The twistable design helps it fit around furniture or tight corners without blocking other plugs. Built-in surge protection keeps your devices safe from sudden power spikes. It's compact, easy to carry, and keeps your space way more organized and clutter-free. Sitting for long hours can quietly wreck your back and posture. This cushion set changes that instantly by supporting both your lower back and your seating position at the same time. The memory foam shapes itself to your body, helping reduce pressure on your tailbone and easing that stiff, tired feeling. The breathable mesh cover keeps air flowing so you don't overheat while you sit. It also stays firmly in place so you're not constantly adjusting it. Whether you're working or gaming, it makes sitting feel way more comfortable. Struggling to fall asleep with noise around you? This pillow speaker keeps sound completely personal so only you can hear it. It sits inside your pillow and plays calming audio without disturbing anyone else nearby. You can connect it via Bluetooth or cable and choose from built-in white noise like waves or rain to help you drift off faster. A simple sleep timer turns it off automatically once you're asleep. No bulky headphones, just soft, quiet comfort designed for deeper rest. Sleeping too hot or too cold can ruin your entire night. This bed climate system fixes that by sending controlled airflow directly into your bed. It can cool you down fast when you're overheating or warm you up in seconds when you're cold. Instead of changing blankets or dealing with sweat, you just adjust the settings and stay comfortable. It works with any mattress and is controlled by a remote or app for easy use. It basically turns your bed into a temperature-controlled sleep zone. Cables everywhere can make even a clean desk feel messy. These little cord clips fix that in seconds by locking your charging cables neatly in place. The rotating design lets you adjust the angle so your cable always sits exactly where you need it without bending or slipping out. You can easily pop cords in and out with one hand thanks to the spring lock system. They stick firmly to your desk or nightstand and keep everything organized and within reach. Small detail, big difference in daily clutter. When you need cooling that actually follows you, this foldable fan does it all. It works as a desk fan, standing fan, or even a portable travel fan thanks to its adjustable and collapsible design. The built-in battery means you can use it without being plugged in, so it's perfect for rooms, camping, or anywhere you move around. It rotates to spread air evenly and has multiple speed settings for everything from a soft breeze to strong cooling. A remote control makes it even easier to adjust without getting up. Most massage mats just vibrate, but this one actually stretches your body. It gently pulls, twists, and extends your back, waist, and legs to help release deep stiffness instead of just masking it. You can feel your spine and muscles slowly loosen as the mat works through different motions. Built-in heat adds extra comfort by relaxing tight areas and improving circulation. It folds easily so you can use it on your bed or floor anytime you need full body relief. A long day can sit right in your neck and shoulders without you even noticing. This Shiatsu neck massager targets those tight spots with deep kneading motions that feel like real hands working through muscle knots. It adds gentle heat to help loosen stiffness and make the relief feel even deeper. You can use it on your neck, back, shoulders, or even legs depending on where you feel sore. Just press it on, relax, and let the tension melt away in minutes.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.